So it's time to leave. Boat is waiting right there. Made it to mainland, guys.
Argentina, yeah.
My husband is from Jamaica.
Oh, from Jamaica.
Yeah, reggae, Bob Marley.
Yeah, that's one place I want to go to.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Good morning.
Guys, good morning, guys. Just had a shower. Ready to leave here. It's our last day. But I just wanted to show you guys the shower. So they have a drum that normally bathe out of. Here to scoop up the water. Yeah, that's the container used to scoop out the water. Very similar to Jamaica. The only difference is we'd use like a bucket. I would dip our rag in the bucket to rinse ourselves off. So yeah, it's a very simple life, and you know what I mean, it reminds me of my upbringing. Yeah man, definitely. So I definitely appreciate this life because I remember all of this. You see it. You have the bathroom. Simple bathroom. See, if you guys, you know, are into this kind of lifestyle, definitely worth it, you know. But if not, you guys can always go to the resort. There's that option. But we love this. It's beautiful nature, beautiful island, beautiful beach, you know, everything beautiful, beautiful family. Yeah man. So it's like 6:34 in the morning, I know. Now where I go. So we're gonna take the local boat to go to mainland today and stay at a hotel, and yeah, and we can start uploading video. Yeah man, so today is Saturday. Yeah, today is a Saturday. So stick around, guys. Like, even look on the locks on the door, guys. It's just a nail in the wall. You know, like these things I'm so used to. Just use that to catch the door alive. It just simply works like this. But when I do that. And this is our simple room, guys. Yeah, we're just packing up to leave now. Yeah man. Very simple zinc roof, otherwise known as tin roof. You know, the rainfall nice when you hear it on them roof, you know. Yeah man. We have a fan in here. Yeah.
Keeping it real, guys.
You know what I mean?
You don't do no 5-star resort.
Yeah man. If you're into that, that's you, but yeah.
Not saying that we wouldn't go there. I mean, we have before.
Yeah, we have, and we just.
But we just wanted to try something different.
Yeah, and when we're going now, it's more of an upgrade and things. So
yeah,
you know. And this little boy is awake now. Say hi. Say hi to your fams. He's sleeping. Yeah, good boy. Yeah, we go on the boat this morning. Yeah. Come, let's get ready.
Okay, get ready.
Show them a morning face. So it's time to leave. Boat is waiting right there. Hey?
my thing. It probably inside the bag.
What's that?
My ring.
Oh. Okay.
Check the room and that.
Yeah, check the room, but
It's probably not in there then. It's probably in my jewelry box or something.
time to go, guys.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, Binaka.
Bye.
Beautiful. Always hard to say goodbye.
I know, I almost cried holding that baby.
Yeah, cute
Honestly,
baby.
the baby was so cute.
Yeah.
Made me tear up.
Wow. Look at the fish out here. Look at the bait fish, baby. There's a fish chasing them right there. Yeah, it was right in front of us.
Turn around.
Yeah, it's in the big bag. This is a really big island. Then, like, there's more village on the other side.
Yeah.
Made it to mainland, guys. Little over an hour now of sailing. It's a different port. Yeah. Hola! This is like the local. Oh, lots of stuff happening here. I guess these are where everyone come from, like the islands. Oh, lots of boats and stuff. Yeah, these are the local boats. Yeah.
Ruth, are they the local boats? Oh.
Wow.
Are they the local boats?
It's so interesting to see. Ooh, the sun is quite hot. Didn't really feel it because we've been sailing.
Okay.
Hola. Lots of taxi here. This is definitely where the locals come and go from island to, yeah, from the mainland back and forth.
So for one person is 125. But if you want to come in the local boat, you have to pay for it.
Yeah, so we can get taxi right here, guys. Yes, yes, they're right here, island. Alright, taxi.
The Naka, Ruth, it was very nice.
Yeah.
I have to give you my
What you do?
my box number. You want my name?
Yeah, for your Facebook and things, so I can link it to the video. You can.
Family?
Where are we from?
Yeah.
We live in Australia.
Yeah.
Originally, I was born in Argentina.
Argentina,
And
yeah.
my husband is from
Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Oh, you're from Jamaica.
Yeah, reggae,
That's
Bob
one,
Marley.
that's one place I want to go to, Jamaica.
Yeah, beautiful,
Because
beautiful.
over here, plenty reggae fans around here.
Oh yeah, it's
So you're
nice.
talking to one musician here.
Oh!
Yeah, I do
I like reggae
reggae.
music.
Yeah,
I like reggae music.
yeah. I realized they play it so much here.
Sorry?
I realized they play reggae so much here.
Most of the nightclubs and everywhere you go, you can just see it.
The reggae. Yeah,
Like the all reggae fans here.
yeah.
That's why Lucky Dube came to Fiji.
Oh yeah.
Do you know that? That's Lucky Dube came to Fiji.
Yeah.
He came twice.
Oh really?
Just because of that.
Wow.
He came twice.
Wow.
Because she knows that Fiji's reggae fan, eh?
Yeah, yeah.
Lucky Doobie, the Inner Circle, the UB40.
All of them came here? Wow.
So where do you came back from?
Huh?
Where you came back from?
What's the island
Okay,
called?
so we went to Nabua Lodge,
Yeah.
and then we stayed with Ruci and Mali in their island. There.
Okay.
Yeah.
We enjoying now the main island.
So how many days you spend there in the island?
Almost 1 week.
Oh,
Yeah.
do you like it?
Yeah, we love it. We love it. Reminds me of Jamaica. Yeah.
Same as Jamaica, similar.
Yeah, we have all the coconut trees, everything just the same. Yeah.
That's right, that's right.
You traveled before?
Sorry?
You been traveling before?
I want to travel. I want to go down to Australia or New Zealand.
Yeah.
And if I have plenty money, then I can go further.
Okay.
Maybe to Jamaica.
Yeah. It will worth it, trust me.
I work for Captain Cook Cruises.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is not new for me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Taking. Yeah. That's where they pack the sugar.
Okay.
Yeah. They harvest. There's the mill there at the back.
Yeah.
Yeah. Once they finish from the mill, then they bring it to where they pack it. Yeah.
Okay.
Bounty.
Sure.
And today's Saturday.
Today is Saturday. Yeah. So most of workplace they don't go to work today. Some they go on half day.
Yeah.
So today is my day off. That's why.
Okay.
That's why I'm driving. Because it's my day off.
Do you have 2 jobs?
Yes.
Okay.
That's good.
When I finish from there, I come and drive taxi. So how long you'll be here in Fiji?
We're here for another week and then we go back.
1 week is already?
Yeah, 1 week already. Another week.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, enjoying it.
And plus, where you stay is it's a nice place. It's just opposite the airport.
Yeah.
Like it's just a 2 minutes car ride from there to the airport. What is the name of your son?
Island.
Who's that?
Island, like the island of Fiji.
Oh, Island.
Yeah.
Island. Oh, what a nice name.
Yeah, unique.
Yeah. Hey, Island. Came back from the island. Do you want to go out shopping? Island? Oh, it's bad that you're going back the next week. If no, I would take you to my island. Yeah.
It's local supermarket.
Fiji, you can just come, relax and see Fiji. It's just like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Over here, like when you do you know what Fiji time is? Yeah. Do you know what the meaning of that?
Yeah, it means take it easy.
Yeah.
Same.
Say Jamaica, no problem. You say Fiji, no problem.
Yeah.
You're on Fiji time, so that means you just take your time and everything.
Yeah.
If it's 9 o'clock, that means 9:30.
Same in
So you
Jamaica.
just relax, you know.
We're never on time in Jamaica.
You don't run around.
Yeah.
So if you on rest, I'm on Fiji time.
Yeah, yeah.
You know that's what I like. I like my job.
Yeah.
Because I meet up with new people.
Yeah, it's a good
Make
job.
friends with them.
Yeah.
That's what I like.
Yeah.
Help them.
Definitely.
Island?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Yeah.
and it takes 2 days.
To my island.
Yes.
Yes, my island. Yeah.
And you'd have to take the local boat, or does the ferry go there as well?
There's a ferry,
Oh,
the
okay.
big boat, yeah.
Okay.
Because over there they don't take a small boat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
It must be rough.
Yes, ma'am. It's very rough. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's why they take the big boat. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, because the islands just near to each other.
Yeah.
So the waves are like this.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So you don't have to take the fiberglass or.
Yeah. Bola.
So what's the population in Fiji?
It's 800 something there, thousand. We haven't reached a million yet.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm.
That's why you see all the lands are like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The next time you're gonna come back to Fiji, you're gonna see all the big houses here.
Yeah.
Probably,
Yeah.
everybody's building now.
Yeah.
So you guys have speed camera here as
Yeah,
well?
we got a speed camera, yeah.
Ah, didn't know that.
Wow.
The maximum speed limit in Fiji is 80.
80?
Yeah.
Oh.
80. So you can't go above 80. Not like back in
In Australia.
you go above
Yeah.
100 and so.
Yeah.
In here, the maximum speed limit is 80. Yeah.
Yeah. That's good.
Yeah.
And you have a lot of Fiji Indians living here?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright.
Those are the
Okay.
Fijian Indians. Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
Yeah. They stay like that. But in the Fijian settlement, you can just see they all in the village. Eh?
Yeah.
Have you seen the village in
Yes.
Island? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's how
Yeah.
the Fijian village looks like.
I love
Okay.
that. That's beautiful. But Nadi's not like this. It's more modern in a sense.
Right. Because it's a tourist town.
Yeah.
Okay.
And does taro grow good here?
Sorry?
Taro.
Yes.
Yeah.
You'll go to the market and see that's a taro. That's a taro.
I thought so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see the round leaves?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a taro.
That's taro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
In Jamaica we call them dashin.
That's she.
Yeah.
So how do you cook it?
We cook it, boil it.
Boil
and-
it. That's what we do too. We boil it.
Yeah.
That one, the cassava, we boil it.
Yeah. It's really
We
nice.
plant yam too here.
Yeah, love yam.
Yeah. Sweet potato we plant here.
Nice.
Nice.
That's the local bus coming through.
Your local bus?
Yeah, this is a local bus.
Okay.
This is coming from Nadi to Lautoka.
Okay.
From one city to one city.
Yeah.
So we pick passengers on along the way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if we want to go to the markets, what
Yeah.
do we say when we get to the next taxi?
Oh, you just tell them that you want to go to the market.
Okay.
Yeah. And he's gonna take you to the nearest market.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, taxi drivers are different, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some they make money from the you know what I mean, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I understand.
Yeah.
So
So some they
pretend
tell
to-
you, they tell you the
The
good
taxi.
and the bad thing about it.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm saying I love this is I'm used to this kind of work, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm telling all the things that happens in Fiji.
Yeah, it's good to be honest, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So where do you work in Australia? Those are they're doing the road
Road work?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Look at the road condition.
Yeah. Same like Jamaica, lots of potholes, bad
because
roads.
this is just last week we had the bad weather.
Yeah. So
one
the
that
rain.
caused the flood in New Zealand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The damaged road.
Yeah. Then it spoils the road.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why the road like this.
Yeah.
But now the maintenance work are there. They're gonna fix the road.
Yeah.
So we work in.
Yeah.
So,
Is that a church?
where is it?
That one.
This one?
Yeah.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Can you tell me what thing this
Is that a Hindu church?
It's a Muslim.
Muslim.
Oh, Muslim.
Yeah.
Oh,
You can see the moon and the star there.
Oh, the moon
Sign.
is that. Okay.
I We have plenty churches here.
Oh, you have
Muslim, we got Hindus, Christian. Yeah, this is a Hindu temple. This is a Hindu temple, smaller.
This one and
Yeah.
Hindu temple.
Have you seen the big one in Nadi?
No.
Yeah, that's the big one in the South Pacific. So most of the tourists, when they go there. They go take photos and pictures. And this is one of the chief's house. Just
Okay.
look at there.
I see lots of people selling stuff on the roadside as well.
Selling what?
Selling like fruits and veggies on the
they do that,
roadside.
yeah, they do that, yeah.
You'll see that a lot in Jamaica as well.
So you do taxi work and what other work you said?
I'm a boat crew.
Oh, that's it, boat
Yeah,
crew.
I'm a boat crew. I work for Captain Cook Cruises.
And they still are operating now?
Yes, ma'am. It's very busy. I'm telling you, it's very busy now.
Yeah.
Very busy. The tourists is just like they pouring in like what? Every day we got high numbers going for day cruise. Yeah. They go in the morning, come back in the afternoon. We got a private island there.
University.
So that's where they go from Denarau. They leave here at 9 o'clock, 10 in the morning. They go to the island. You're gonna get off there in the island, stay there on the island, picnic there, do whatever you do there. They provide you food, they provide you drinks. That's all free.
Okay.
Yeah. Drink it's unlimited. You can just take how many.
I think I was looking at doing that tour.
So I'm working there. That's why I'm telling you it's nice to go there too.
You're not working today? No.
I'm not working today. I'm day off today.
Okay, so when they operate Monday?
They 7 days a week.
Oh,
That's why I'm
7
saying it's all full swing. Like it's back to normal and it's very busy.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you want to do that, you can go. Today is a bit late.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe
Tomorrow or sometimes. Yeah.
Okay.
I just want to let you know. We can. If you want to go, you can go. Once you pay your fare, everything is included in there.
It's like something like 200 and something Fijian dollars.
It's 199, 190 I think.
Oh, okay.
Your morning tea, your boat transfer, and all other stuff that we're gonna use in the island. It's all included in there. So after that, you're gonna go for glass bottom boat. They're gonna take you for snorkeling. That's all included in that package. And your lunch too is there. Lunch is free. Beer is free. Soft drink is free. Yeah.
We are here at our hotel now. Yeah, man. So we just have to wait because our room is not ready yet.
So guys, we're here at the Toka Resort.
Yeah.
And as you can see, Babe will show you a bit about it.
It's beautiful. It looks like
We're
a
here for
big.
a night, guys, because we're moving on to our Airbnb after this in the main city. Or
Yeah.
we want to be able to cook for ourselves and things.
True. Looks like a big property. There's a waterfall over there. I mean, like a water slide.
Okay, go in the room first now.
We're here.
Oh, it's nice today. See you in there.
Yeah. Thank you.
Come on in. Bring the.
Woo. Feels cool. Oh, nice.